Christmas sweater, and nobody better steal it. I wear it every year, and if they steal it, I'll kick them in the face.
Hey, what's that?
Girl, this is my Christmas sweater. Yeah, let me tell you. My grandmother's grandmother made this sweater. And girl, like I said, love grandma, she didn't even know how to spell Christmas though. And like my granddaddy, he was a race car driver. And the last race car that he drove, he dressed up like Santa Claus. His picture's on my sweater.
What is that?
Oh, girl, this right here. It's a cheese sauce steak from last Christmas. Listen, I wear it every Christmas. I wrap it on Christmas Eve night and open it in the morning. But last Christmas we had this real good cheese sauce. I'm saying, girl, no, girl, we can't wash this. But anyway, so yeah, that's the cheese sauce that I dropped last Christmas.
Maybe you should, maybe you should wrap it.
Yeah, girl, you want to help me wrap it? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put it up under this tree. See, it says Shaniqua. That's my name.
Let's go get some hot chocolate.
Okay, girl, let's go.
Oh. What's this? Shaniqua. Oh, it's her Christmas sweater. The one she wears every year. I really want this. I know I shouldn't, but she did take the cookies that I laid out for Santa. So, I'm going to take it. She won't learn.
You know what, girl? I think I should wear my Christmas sweater while we're drinking this hot chocolate.
Okay, let's go and wrap it.
Let's go get it. Girl, I'm so excited to wear this Christmas sweater. My Christmas sweater is gone. Look it. I knew somebody was going to take my Christmas sweater.
What should we do?
I don't know. Maybe let's pray about it. Let's pray about it. Ask God who took my sweater.
Okay.
Jesus, who took it? Susie took my sweater. Susie took my sweater.
Do
She
you
come
know
up here and take my sweater.
Yeah, do you know Susie?
Yeah, I know Susie. She took my sweater. Looks like a nice sweater since you weren't stealing, huh?
No, I found it.
No, that's my Christmas sweater. It's got my name in it. Shaniqua. It's in it. You don't be stealing from Shaniqua, girl.
I think I just did.
Give me my Christmas sweater back. Give it back.
Nope.
Give me back my...
Back.
Get it back! I want my sweater back now.
Take it off.
Hey, y'all! What's going on here?
God, she done came up in here. She took my Christmas
She
sweater.
took your sweater.
She took my sweater.
Is that her
Give it
sweater?
back.
Maybe.
Give me back my sweater.
Is that her
You
sweater?
know it's my sweater.
Whoa.
You
Guys,
know
no,
it's my
guys, I just did my DTS in Adams.
No, that's my
And I
sweater.
heard...
Tell her it's my
No,
sweater.
I can hear God's voice. Let's
No,
bring
you
it
can't.
back.
Run. You That's my sweater.
Who? What happened? Help us,
What
Whoa, whoa.
It's
Jesus,
heavenly.
whoa.
She needs a heavenly touch anyway.
Thank you. Well, since you gave me this sweater, I guess I'll give you this one. Since you like it more and you could probably breathe in it.
Oh my gosh. This is so Jesus.
Hold it down. Thank you so much.
Hey, where did that angel thing go?
We should be friends.
Yes, for sure.
Oh.
Wow. Girl, I think that angel went in the kitchen drinking my hot chocolate.